Let us learn subject and predicate. Every sentence can be divided into two main parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is that part of the sentence that tells us who or what does something. It can also tell us to whom or to what something happens. The predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us what happens to the subject or what the subject does. Predicate contains verb which shows either the action or the state or the feeling. It also contains the object if present in the sentence and complement if there. The neem tree has been cut down. Here, what has been cut down? The neem tree. So the neem tree is the subject and has been cut down is the predicate. Has been cut shows the action. The sun is bright. What is bright? The sun. So the sun is the subject over here. Is bright is the predicate. Now here there is no action done by the sun. So here the verb shows the state. She feels lonely when her parents go out. Here, who feels lonely? She. So she is the subject. Feels lonely when her parents go out is predicate. Let us learn the steps to identify a subject of a sentence. Find the verb and it will indicate the action, state or feeling in the sentence. Ask the verb who or what performed the action. The answer to this question is the subject of the sentence. The rest of the sentence is the predicate. Let us take an example. John loves football. Verb loves. Question: who loves? John. John is the subject. This is how you will find out. The painting is beautiful. What is beautiful? The painting. Okay, the verb is shows the state. The painting is the subject because it answers the question what. Sometimes the predicate appears first in the sentence and then comes the subject. Such sentences are called inverted sentences. Now, in such cases, what you need to do is rearrange the words in correct order and then find the subject and directly ask the question who or what to the verb. Say for example, down below the valley flowed the river. Arrange it in correct order. The river flowed down below the valley. What flowed? The river. The river is the subject. Flowed down below the valley is the predicate. Up and down went his boat. Arrange it in correct order. His boat went up and down. What went? His boat. So his boat is the subject and went up and down is the predicate. Now let us learn understood or implied subject. Now usually in imperative sentences we don't speak or write subject, but it is implied. Please shut the door means you please shut the door. So the subject will be you. Put the book back on the shelf. That means You put the book back on the shelf. So the subject will be you. Here the subject has to be understood. It is not mentioned. The subject and the predicate of a sentence can be brief and simple, or it might contain additional information. The boy is ill. Now the sentence is simple. The boy is the subject, is ill predicate. The boy who joined our class last week is ill. Here, the same sentence is made longer by extending the subject. The boy is ill because he ate junk food at the street vendor's stall. Here, in this sentence, the subject is small, but the predicate is extended. The boy who joined our class last week is ill because he ate junk food at the street vendor's stall. Here, the sentence is quite long. Both the subject and the predicate are extended. Thank you. We learned subject and predicate today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And do not forget to click on the bell icon.